So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a legend to your chart inside of a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the top and press on chart and just add whatever chart you want to your presentation. So I'll just make it a little bit larger so once you can do that. So once that is done, press on the chart right here to open up this part. Make sure that some charts this works, some charts it doesn't. But under chart options, make sure that legend is selected. And once you press on legend right here, it actually I'll just make it a little bit smaller. It actually says it right here. So if you wanted this to be pink and you wanted this to be purple, you can have that right there, just so it's a little bit of a graphic for your viewers when you're presenting this on a Keynote actual presentation in real life. So very straightforward, very simple, but that is how to add a legend to your chart inside of Keynote. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.